Hi, come on in. I'm Caroline, this is Caro-stitched, and today is the first day of our 6 weeks of Stitchmas. Now, this is 6 weeks running into Christmas that will have something different every week that we can make. This week is ornaments, and to start them off, I'm using one of my favorite go-tos, really quick and easy. It is a little star ornament that you can make stitch really quickly. I've got a tutorial on my channel for it, and I will link it in the description down below and at the end of the video. And as I say, it is such an easy one to finish and complete, but looks absolutely gorgeous. This is one I used last year when I was making my Vlogmas Christmas series, and I used it as a little garland that I put up on the back of my wall for my cozy Christmas corner. But equally, they are lovely being used as a little ornament to hang on your Christmas tree, and you can make them lots of different colours. Obviously, reds are pretty at this time of year, but you can make them in sparkly colours too, and they look lovely on a Christmas tree. So as the week progresses, I will have some more tutorials coming out with different ornaments that you can make throughout the week. But I'll also have a video coming out that will have some suggestions from other makers for tutorials and patterns that you can use so that you can really make lots of different things this coming week. And these are ones I think you'll really enjoy. Are relatively easy to make, but still really pretty for the festive time. Now, if you're a member of my crochet circle, my school community, then we have a new Stitchmas tab on the main chat area, but also in the classroom, there is also a Stitchmas area. And on that, there'll be new tutorials coming out. There will be member patterns. So every day, other people can put up patterns, and these can be put into the classroom as well, so that everybody can reference them. I'll be putting up daily posts for your information, and really we'll just be enjoying the start of the run into Christmas. So I'd really love you to join us there. Again, the link will be in the description box down below. It's totally free, but I'd love to have you come along and join us. So whether you're making one ornament or joining us all season, I would love for you to join us here. And I love to see what you create and what you make. So let's crochet through to Christmas together. Join me tomorrow for another quick video and see more tutorials. Thank you for joining me here, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.